Hello everyone, my name is Tam from Grand Canyon University. Today I will be discussing the critical topic of IT governance and cloud computing. Today we will explore how IT practice embrace compassion, justice, and concern for the common good. We will also dive into the importance of ethical IT operation, ensuring our technology enhance the human experience. In our pursuit of robust IT governance, we prioritize compassion, justice, and the common good. Compassion means that we are deeply invested in the impact our technology has on people's lives. We care about making solutions that not only work efficiently, but also consider the human element. Justice is our foundation. It signifies that we treat everyone fairly and equitably. Ethical IT operations ensure that our actions create a level of playing field where everyone has a fair chance to success. We committed to the common good. We recognize that our action affects society as a whole. Our technology isn't for our benefit, it's designed to enhance the well-being of our community and the world. We emphasize ethical IT operation. This means that our practice are not just about making financial sense, they align with ethical standards. We are dedicated to ensure that our action benefit not only us, but also society. When it comes to data and application safety, we adopt a multi-phases approach to ensure that our data remains secure and accessible even in downtime. Regular data backup are a fundamental aspect of our strategy. We automate and schedule backup of critical data to minimize the risk of data loss. We store these backups off-site, reducing the impact of physical disaster on our data. Our disaster recovery plans are comprehensive and regularly updated. They encompass detailed recovery procedures for various situations, from hardware failure to natural disaster. We continually test and refine these plans to ensure they remain effective in rapid restoring our services. To enhance data accessibility, we have implemented redundancy measures. This includes the use of failover systems to ensure high availability of our applications and services. Geographic redundancy further guarantees that our data remain accessible even if one data center is present and outage. Next, IT governance forms the foundation of our approach to cloud computing. In the dynamic cloud environment, effective governance is essential for ensuring the efficient management, control, and compliance of our IT operation. Our governance framework provides clear guidelines for managing cloud resources. It outlines defined role and responsibility for cloud operation, ensuring that tasks are assigned appropriately. Resource optimization is a key focus area within our governance practice. We continually monitor and optimize our cloud resources to maximize cost effectiveness. This entails not only efficient allocation of cloud services, but also the identification and elimination of unused resources. Compliance and security are non-negotiable aspects of our governance. We enforce stringent security policy and compliance standards to protect our data and systems. Regular audits and assessments are conducted to maintain the highest level of security and ensure that we adhere to regulatory requirements. Moving on, compliance with laws and regulations is very important. We have implemented ultimate compliance audit, allowing us to proactively identify and rectify compliance issues. Our regulatory reporting framework ensures that we meet all legal requirements, providing transparency to stakeholders. We invest in ongoing compliance training to keep our team up to date, ensuring that we not only safeguard ourselves but also build trust with our stakeholders. Our cybersecurity strategies are at the forefront of our commitment to data security. We integrate threat intelligence deeply into our security operation. This involves real-time monitoring of the global threat landscape, continuously threat assessment, and in-depth risk analysis. By doing so, we are able to identify and respond swiftly to emerging threats, ensuring the protection of our data and system. Our advanced endpoint protection is a multi-layer defense system. It includes next-generation antivirus with behavioral analysis, providing real-time threat detection and prevention. Additionally, we have implemented endpoint detection and response capability, or EDR, enabling us to rapidly identify and mitigate security incidents at the endpoint level. To enhance our incident response capability, we have developed detailed incident response playbook. These playbook define incident severity levels, ultimate incident escalation procedure, and resolution workflows. This ensures that security incidents are handled consistently and effectively, minimize their impact on our organization. Next, I'm excited to share with you our company data protection policy, which are beyond the COVID framework. These policies are designed to ensure the security, integrity, and compliance of our cloud-based solution. Our first policy is the access control policy. This policy enforces strict control on who can access the company cloud-based system, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive data. Next, we have the data encryption policy. This policy aligns with COVID principle of ensuring the confidentiality and privacy of data access. It mandates the encryption of data stored and transmitted in the cloud, which is crucial for data protection. Moving on to the data backup and recovery policy. This policy aligns with COVID principle of ensuring the availability and reliability of IT resources. In simple, it means that we regularly backup our data in the cloud to reduce the risk of data loss and ensure data availability. Now let's talk about the identity and access management policy. This policy aligns with COVID principle of managing user identity and access system and data. In practice, it governs how users are authenticated and authorized to access the cloud resources. Next is vendor security assessment policy. This policy ensures that third-party vendors providing cloud services are assessed for security vulnerability. Now let's discuss the incident response policy. This policy outlines the procedure for detecting, reporting, and responding to security incidents in the cloud, in line with COVID incident management objectives. Our data retention and deletion policy is crucial for compliance. This policy defines how data is retained and deleted in compliance with relevant regulation, reflecting COVID governance of data. Next is the security awareness training policy. This policy mandates the security training for employees consistent with COVID focus on ensuring staff competency. Next, we have the network security policy. This policy aligns with COVID principle of securing network infrastructure and communication. In practice, it outlines measures to protect cloud-based network resources, aligning with COVID network security objectives. Finally, we have the security patch management policy. This policy governs the timely application of security patch to cloud system, in accordance with COVID guidance on vulnerability management. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.